Today I'm gonna be changing spark plugs on my 2015 Toyota Corolla, and this can apply to many models and many years, Camry and whatnot. So basically what I have here, of course, I have the Toyota genuine spark plugs, full of them, gloves, dielectric grease, safety glass. For this particular car, I would need 14 millimeter thin, deep spark plug socket, 10 millimeter to disconnect the battery, extension. This is ratchet, 3/8, and this is torque wrench. You're gonna need to torque about 12.5 foot-pound on the spark plugs, or basically you can hand tie first and then turn it quarter turn, 1/4 turn. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to disconnect the battery here, just for safety precaution. Let's get started. So I went ahead and loosen the battery here, put it aside. Kind of dirty, I'm gonna clean it up later. You also need to remove the cover here. You don't need any tools, so you can have access to spark plugs. Go ahead and remove this. Very simple. Came off. So now you have access to spark plug. Gonna go ahead and remove the first one here. Let's see if I can. It might be a little tight. You might need this to just be gentle. So what you can do to help out, this can be a little stuck, you can actually carefully pry the little clip here a little bit while you're pulling it, so just be gentle here. Just stuck this a little bit in here. Let me show you if I can do it this time. The angle is not the best, but the idea is that to stick your flathead in here a little bit, lift it up, and then it should go out. And then you're going to be using 10 millimeter here, and remove this groove here. You can do it by hand after that. Then you're gonna remove the boot here. It's just like so. So this is the first time I'm replacing, so it looks pretty good. Before you put this back in, you're gonna put a little bit of the grease here. Dielectric grease over here. Next, I'm going to be using this socket to go in there gently. Make sure okay, I think and then turn. Counterclock. There you go. Just gently, and then you're gonna use your hand just to see, use your hand to remove the here you go. Now the spark plug that I bought is already preset to 0.044, so I don't need to do anything. I mean, it still look pretty good. So I'm going to be putting the new one in here. Okay, like so. Just gently, I'm going to do it by hand first. Just do not drop it. And just tighten it by hand. So what I just did earlier, I put this in, okay, and then I turned it quarter turn, which is like, you know, basically like this. Well, yeah, like this, and that's it. Don't over tight it. So the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of grease here. Put the grease inside around here, not too much, just around it, to prevent it from being stuck in there after years. Okay, and just have to put it back in here. Put the screw back. And you should be all set. Tighten the screw by hand first and then just tighten it up a little bit. Nothing major. Just a little bit here. Here you go. Just tighten it and then put the plug back in. Right here. And you're pretty much all set. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the remaining 3. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you folks on the next video.